Hey Chuck, this is Amber from Local Leads Co. I spoke to Sherry last week and she gave me the okay to go ahead and send you over this really quick screencast, just kind of showing what we do. So what I'll really just be doing is going over 3 areas in which you can grow your business. Now, these are areas and changes that you can actually make on your own today. So just wanted to provide you with this really informative 3 tips to help you grow your business and make minor changes in order to see big change. So I have your website pulled up here, and overall I think it's a really great user-friendly website. Looks like you have this contact form, you have a large photo here, and then you have some options in regards to what you guys service. So if there's one area of opportunity, I would definitely recommend adding more content to your page. This is one thing that Google looks at when it comes to ranking your website. So Google generally likes to see around 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page, and then somewhere around 750 words on your back pages. So that's certainly an area of opportunity for you. I have one of your top competitors pulled up here. It's Iceberg Cooling. This is their website. It looks like they really don't have much content. Actually, they have a little bit. I don't think that they have about 1,500 words though. So this is definitely an area where you could beat your competition. Your second top competitor, the Lakeland Air Conditioning Company. It looks like they have a large photo here too. And they have quite a bit of content as well. So again, just an opportunity to make some changes to your website, get some more content on there, and also get some more keywords as well, which is something we'll go over in the next step here. So I have your website here as well. We use this tool. It's called Ahrefs, and it really just helps to see the ins and out of your website, where it's been in the past and where it's at now. So it looks like you did have some growth here, and then it's kind of like at a standstill right now. It's gone down just a little bit as far as your ranking and your overall ranking is concerned. So this is your overview. The first thing I want to go over is with keywords. Now, what a keyword is a highly searched word in Google. So for instance, it looks like Payne AC Lakeland is searched about 100 times per month, and as a result of that, you get about 39 people in the door. You guys are of course ranked number 1 for that keyword because it's your company. However, it's just as important to rank for general keywords that don't include the name of your company, because there could definitely be some prospects or customers that are just looking for air conditioning repair and things of that nature in the area. They may not be as familiar with your company. So it's definitely good to rank for these general keywords such as air conditioning repair in Lakeland, Florida. It looks like you're in the 5th position for that. That gets about 150 searches per month. AC repair Lakeland looks like you're in the 6th position. That gets about 100 searches per month as well. So there's definitely a lot of opportunity here for you in getting ranked for these general keywords so you can reach a variety and a larger range of people. Your top competitor here have their keywords pulled up. It looks like they're ranked number 1 for AC repair in Lakeland, Florida. For that general keyword, and again, air conditioning repair in Lakeland, AC repair Lakeland, they're ranked number 1 in those top 3 keywords. And again, it's getting a little over 300 searches per month. So that's a lot of potential traffic that you could be getting in your door. And then your third competitor, let me see here, looks like they're ranked number 1 for Lakeland air conditioning, AC, Lakeland, Florida. They're in the 3rd position, so they are still on that front page. So that's just one area of opportunity as well. Getting more content on your page, and then within that content, making sure you're utilizing these keywords and putting these keywords in there so that you can rank for them. The second area I wanted to go over with you has to do with backlinks. So what a backlink is it's pretty much when your website is referred by another website or linked to another website. No backlink is created equally. There's so many different kinds, and it's important not only that you have a good amount of backlinks, but it's just as important, if not more important, that you have good quality backlinks. So you can have over 1,000 backlinks and still have very low DR. And what DR is it's trust. So it gauges whether or not those backlinks are credible. So they can either be very influential and powerful links, or they can be very spammy links. So since you have a relatively low DR compared to your UR, that tells me that a good amount of your links could be spammy, and as a result, that's not allowing you to rank in that number one position. So that's the second opportunity of growth for you, is just getting good, credible links referring back to your website. Your top competitor here, I have them pulled up. They have a little over 1,000 backlinks. However, again, it looks like they have very low trust. So you can have as many backlinks as you want, but if you have spammy links, which this DR tells me that they do, it doesn't help your ranking. And then your second top competitor here, it looks like they have 23 backlinks. They really don't have much at all, and they have low trust as well, and which tells me they're not getting very powerful, influential links referring back to them. So that's definitely an opportunity of growth for you there, is with backlinks. And then the last thing I wanted to go over with you is citations. So what a citation is it's pretty much your name, address, and phone number blasted all over the internet in different directories, social media platforms, things of that nature. Of course, the more citations you have, the better, because this gets your name out there. Another thing a citation does is it gets you ranked. Hold on, let me show you here. It gets you in the top position of this map pack right here. So the more citations you have, the more chance and opportunity you have of getting yourself in this top position. So you have 92 citations. It looks like your top competitor has 44. Your second top competitor has 41. So it looks like you actually have more citations than them. We would just want to get you ranked for those first two, for getting more backlinks for you and getting good keywords for you to optimize your website and get you ranked in that area in order to also get you ranked in that Google Map Pack. So I know that was kind of a lot of information. Again, that was content, getting more words on your website, backlinks, getting more credible links referring back to your website, and then lastly, getting a good amount of citations as well. So yeah, that's all I have. If you have any questions or concerns, I would love to touch base with you. You could just email me back or give me a call. My information is below. Again, these are 3 tools that you can do on your own, but I would be more than happy to sit down and talk to you as well. Anyways, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.